In the state of South Dakota, the shot heard round the pro-life world. A new law requiring a 3-day waiting period for women seeking an abortion, the longest waiting period in the nation. For the South Dakota legislature and Governor Dennis Dugard, a continuation of the state's record as the most restrictive of abortion practice in the country, a legacy that pro-life advocates are proud to bear.
Well, it feels very good. It feels very good, and I feel good about myself that I was out working very hard.
The pro-life contingent in South Dakota makes no bones about it. They want to make it as difficult as possible to abort a child inside the state. Contrary to charges of insensitivity or ignorantly crafted legislation, they say bills like the Informed Consent Law are all about compassion, both for the unborn child and, more importantly, to spare a life of regret for the aborted mother.
But critics like state lawmaker Shad Olson of Rapid City say the price of that compassion is too high, forcing the state to defend legal challenges already in the works by Planned Parenthood and the ACLU, estimated to cost between $2 and $5 million.
We are talking about the Attorney General's using state funds, which we don't have, to support an abortion bill which has been repudiated by the people twice.
It will be litigated, and from the outset, you should be, going into these things, one is always prepared for that likelihood, and of course, they've been very clear that that's what they're going to do.
Veteran lobbyist Kitty Worthman of Eagle Forum helped lay the groundwork for the pro-life cause in South Dakota. She says that any focus on the cost of saving the lives of the unborn misses the point, and is guilty of the same charge leveled by critics of Obamacare and the so-called death panels and end-of-life counseling. Worthman says there's no way to place a price tag on human life.
America is at risk, very much.
And pro-life groups here say that no matter the cost, that fight will continue until abortion is eradicated from the nation, or at the very least until individual states can decide their own policy on the practice that has claimed an estimated 60 million lives since 1973.
So what we can do is battle this out by supporting the Life Protection Fund, which in fact will go to help defray the cost of the legal expenses that the state will incur.
Shad Olson, SOS TV News.